$2.50 for every YouTube video view that you get? Absolutely. I did it today, and I want to tell you how to do it. Guys, this is Ben Arkell with PassiveAutomation.com. Now, you don't need a huge YouTube subscribership. I mean, just look below. I got a couple hundred. You don't need a huge email list, but there is something you have to do to be able to get revenue from YouTube videos, especially if you're like me and you don't have a channel that is monetized yet. So hang tight. We're going to do a deep dive, and I'm going to show you exactly how I get $2.50 for every YouTube video view. Okay guys, we're in the inside now. Gonna quickly walk through how I make $2.50 per YouTube view. Okay, now as you can see, if you're looking at my view counts, not a ton of views. Okay, I don't have my channel monetized yet. I only have 200 subscribers. As you know, you need 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 hours of watch time within a year cycle. Don't have that yet. I will have it very soon. Very confident of that. My daughter has a channel with 145,000 subscribers, so we kind of know how it works. But what I do have is there's a system down for if you're a brand new creator. A lot of people get stuck because they're like, I'm small, I can't do anything. Like, why is anyone gonna believe me? Why is anybody gonna want to follow me when I don't make a lot of money, when I don't do this, don't do that? Okay, this is how. So the one thing you're gonna do is you're gonna produce content. Okay, what happened? The way I was able to make these earnings, it happened because I was producing content. So what I did, this thumbnail right here, I made a comment on Facebook and I said something to the effect of, man, I feel like I'm finally getting this thumbnail thing. I finally have it figured out. I know how to make these thumbnails look good. As you can see, like, older ones don't look as good. They're not as sexy, I guess, as like this one. I think that's a really good thumbnail, and it's one that I'm probably going to start using more of. Okay, so I said I'm feeling good, and someone asked, well, what do you use? How do you make your thumbnails? I think that was Kevin, one of my buddies, and so I said, well, you know what? In my next video, I will show you how I do it. So people get stuck up on a couple of things. One, content. If you don't know what to produce on your social media channels or on your YouTube or your blogs, try to answer questions that people have. Consider those as ways to produce content. So what I did, the very next day I shot this video, how to make a YouTube thumbnail that pops in less than 10 minutes. And my thumbnail is how to make a YouTube thumbnail quick and easy. And what I did in that video, I have a link for Thumbnail Blaster. I go in to explain, there's a little template program I use called Thumbnail Blaster, which provides me a template, and then I went into PicMonkey and explained how I do like the highlight things you see here. All right, and then all I did is I put this link right here, and then I also think I have the link here. Yeah, one of these is a link to Thumbnail Blaster right here, the eye-catching YouTube thumbnail. Okay. So here's the story. Well, if you click on this Thumbnail Blaster thing, it takes you to a funnel from the people who made Thumbnail Blaster. Now, if you're watching this video and you don't know much about thumbnails, check out this video, check out this link. Again, if you use my link right here, I would appreciate it. Go to this video because I get affiliate commission, and that would help me. Something else someone once said is, if you want people to buy from your affiliate link, be willing to buy from other people's affiliate links. It's kind of you get what you give out. So if they come here, they click this funnel, and it goes to explains what it is. It has a sales video here that explains everything. And so what happened, I made this video. Now, when I did my pre-recording, it had 11 views. Now it has 15. But I was playing tennis this morning with my wife. Beautiful day. Woke up at 5 o'clock, did some things. Then around 7, went to play tennis. I came back, and let me show you what I got. So, bam, bam, bam. Okay? Warrior plus, warrior plus, warrior plus. You earn $16.95, you earn 0, you earn $10.67. So this 0 one is a trial. Someone ordered the Thumbnail Blaster Pro Special, and someone ordered Thumbnail Blaster. So I got 3 commissions the very next day from this video. So that's, you know, 27, 28, and then the trial will probably be more. So when I had originally shot the intro, it was like 11 views, and I made like $27. So that's why I said $250 per video. But here's the important thing, guys. Things, guys. What you need to do, and this is something that actually Spencer Meekum right here from Buildapreneur, he's one of the most successful affiliate marketers out there, and he's actually walking through a demo of Warrior Plus, and I was trying to kind of learn a little more again today after seeing these commissions come through. By the way, I got to play tennis when I came home. I made money, and I made the money while I was playing tennis, so now I consider myself a professional tennis player. Thank you. I don't make quite as much as Roger, Federer, or Djokovic, but Spencer Meekum, what he's talking about when he does product in Warrior Plus for you. If you don't know what Warrior Plus is, it has a lot of products you can sell online, but he always buys an offer. If he thinks there's something interesting, he always buys it. And so the reason that I was able to get people to buy my product, buy this affiliate product, is because they saw me use it and I demoed it. Okay, you can't. A lot of people get hung up with, I want to sell this product, but they don't know how to use it. They've never looked at it. They don't demo it. I showed this super quick demo, and I showed them what they could make if they used that and they had that tool. And that was persuasive enough for, you know, again, it's 15 views now. 3 hours ago it was 11. I got 11 views and I made like $27. Now consider, how big is your YouTube channel, right? Like, is it small? Is it super big? It's not super big probably. If it's small. So this is what you got to do is you have to find products that are relevant to your niche and that people would want to use, and you got to buy them. You got to buy them, you got to try them out, and then you have to make videos demoing them and putting a link in there. And that is super easy affiliate marketing, super easy. One thing else I wanted to mention, along with questions leading to content, 2, you need to buy these front-end offers. You need to know what you're, providing to people as far as like recommendations. They got to know it's for real, and they got to see what it can do. The last thing I want to say is document what you do. Like, the reason I made $27 this morning, and I know it's not a lot, but guess what? In a year from now, when I have 1,500 views, that $27 is going to be $2,700. Okay? The reason you're able to make money is you gotta document. I documented the fact that I made this thumbnail, and I published it and let people on Facebook know. My personal profile, I did on Instagram. I let people know, and then someone asked a question. They said, "Hey, how do you do that?" And I had a couple people down in the comment section ask additional questions, and I was able to post my link. I said, "Hey, this is what I actually use. This is the program I use. If you have any questions, let me know." Bam. Okay? Guys, I just want to walk through that really quick. No matter where you are, if you have 100,000 subscribers, obviously you can make a lot more money. But if you are just starting out, you have 10 subscribers. If you will get a product, try it out, show people what it can do, put a link, be willing to put yourself out there and let people ask you questions, you will have success. This has been Arkell, passiveautomation.com. We talk about passive automation, affiliate marketing, all that good stuff. What I do want to recommend below, if you want to learn more, there's one thing you can do. You can go on YouTube and watch all these videos, but if you want something A to Z, how do I start an online business? What do I do? In the link below, right on this video, the top part, it says my #1 recommendation. There's a training from A to Z. It's the Business Builder Challenge. I would highly recommend you check that out. And until next time, guys, if you subscribe and get notifications on this video, you will be able to see when I'm coming out with my new content. And I will talk to you on the next video.